Good morning, all dear T Computer and TIT students. Today, here with us is Dr. S.D. Sanjeti sir, who is going to give some important instruction for honor and minor subject selection, which is really a good opportunity for you students. So don't miss anything, and whatever are your doubts after the session, so you can ask. So I request Dr. S.D. Sanjeti sir to take the further session.
Okay. Thank you very much, ma'am. Good morning to all. As you know, our examination form filling process is already started. And in that examination form, if you open your form along with the regular 5 subject from third year, you will find one more tab for audit course and one more tab for the minor course, minor degree, or it is also called as honor degree. So student may having some questions related to that. That's why we have conducted this meeting. Once you listen all the things, whatever doubts in your mind, you can just note down, and after that we will carry out the discussion. Okay, so what is exactly meaning of this minor degree or honors degree? So AICTE has taken some initiative that along with the regular degree, whatever we are doing, let's say it may be the computer degree, degree in computer engineering, or maybe degree in information technology, or maybe degree in mechanical engineering. Along with that, there are some emerging areas where many job opportunities. हेलो, मी बोलू एक मिनट, सेशन चालू कर दो. Sorry. So along with that, there are some emerging areas in engineering, and AICTE or higher education wish that there should be skill manpower for this emerging area, and to consideration into this particular parameter, they have started some courses in emerging areas. So these emerging areas, students can get the additional degree. Means if enrolling yourself into this honors degree or minor degree, you will get 2 degrees. One will be your regular computer engineering or regular information technology degree, and one will be the minor degree that may be in the cyber security, that may be in the data science, that may be in the artificial intelligence and machine learning, and so on. So what is that exactly? We will try to understand first of all. So this concept is clear to everyone, that what is the meaning of minor degree, or what you call the honors degree. This concept is clear to everyone. If any doubt, you can put into the chat box. Next point is what will be its syllabus and how we can complete that particular degree. So its syllabus, for every semester you need to appear for one more additional subject. Along with your 5 subject, you need to appear one more additional subject per semester. Means third year first semester you need to appear for one subject, third year second semester you need to appear for one more subject, likely in the BE first semester one more subject, and in the last semester one more subject. That one subject will consist of 2 subjects. One will be theory subject, one will be the lab related to that, and altogether the credit for that will be 5 credits. So if you able to earn total 20 credits into the 4th semester, you will be given that additional degree. Okay, now which are the different domain areas available for computer engineering? So altogether for computer engineering, just a minute. the document. For computer engineering, there will be 5 domain areas. First will be artificial intelligence and machine learning. Second emerging area will be the cyber security. Third will be data science. Fourth will be Internet of Things, that is IoT. And last one will be the virtual and augmented reality. So these are the 5 domain areas where student can opt for the honors degree. Once you opt any specialization area, you need to appear for the next 4 SEM into that same area. पुढचे 2 वर्ष आणि 4 semester, you are supposed to face the subject related to that. Whatever syllabus for the particular, I will share with you. You can go through that particular syllabus and you can decide. And your department will share one Google form with you. You can decide your domain area and you can highlight it. Once whatever area you have selected, you need to complete that particular subject into that stipulated time. Let's say एखाद्या विद्यार्थ्याने आता आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजन्स घेतलाय तर त्याला नंतर त्याला बदलायचा स्कोप राहणार नाही. He or she is supposed to complete that particular degree in that area only. There will be no change once you have decided that particular area, domain area. Okay. So subject काय असणार आहे, कशा पद्धतीने त्याचं कंटेंट आहे, that everything will be shared with you after this session along with the Google form. So you are advised to go through that. Already what happened, your first SEM is over and related to this subject, nothing you have learned. So along with your regular 5 subject, you need to learn this 6 subject and you need to clear it. Okay. Now the session is open for question answer. If you have any doubt, you can ask the questions so that I will try to solve the questions and make the things more clear to you.
Yes, Darshan Shelar, instead of raising hand, you can directly ask the question.
Yeah, you can directly ask the question.
Okay. Sir,
Please.
सर आपण या सेमला जर आपण हॉनर सिलेक्ट नाही केलं आणि नेक्स्ट सेमला आपण सिलेक्ट करू शकतो का?
नाही, chance for enrollment is in this semester only. You need to select the subject in this semester only.
Okay, sir.
And along with that, some questions are coming, so I will answer that question. That whatever program we have discussed, they are considered as minor program. It is absolutely not mandatory any student to opt for the honors program. This choice is given to the individual student. You can decide whether you wish to undertake this honors or minor program or not. But once you have opted, then permission will be not given to change the program at the time of filling examination form. And once you have registered, you need to complete all the credits for this specific major or honors degree, and degree will be awarded only if you complete all that 20 credit. म्हणजे जे काही सब्जेक्ट आहेत जसं तुम्हाला माहितीच आहे की सगळे सब्जेक्ट क्लिअर झाले तरच डिग्री मिळेल, अदरवाइज that will be not. And examination fee, additional fee will be charged as per the prevailing rules and regulation of the university. Okay. So these points I have narrated already. Now this session is open for question answer.
Hello,
Sir.
sir.
Yes.
Hello. Sir,
Yes,
if
please.
we सर जर आपल्याला हा कोर्स नसेल घ्यायचा तर मग एक्झाम फॉर्म मध्ये काय टाकायचं त्याला?
नॉट ऍप्लिकेबल करा किंवा कदाचित ते मॅन्डेटरी नसेल पण सिलेक्ट करणं.
नाही सर, तिथं दिलेलं आहे त्यांनी एक
नॉट ऍप्लिकेबल. नॉट ऍप्लिकेबल करा, नॉट ऍप्लिकेबल करू शकता तुम्ही. त्याच्यानंतर क्वेश्चन होता की लेक्चर्स आणि प्रॅक्टिकल कॉलेजमध्येच घेतले जातील का? येस, फॉर प्रॅक्टिकल इट विल बी इन कॉलेज इटसेल्फ ओनली. रिलेटेड टू द लेक्चर्स फर्दर अशी स्कीम येऊ शकते की NPTEL जो आहे त्यातला जर तुम्ही तो कोर्स कम्प्लीट केला त्या स्पेसिफिक क्रेडिटचा, तर दॅट एनपीटीएल can be that credit can be transferred to your subject, so that is also possible. Rutuja Thorat is asked some question. It is compulsory, so I have already given the answer. It is not compulsory. Then Sandesh Pagaria asked the question, what will happen if we not able to get 20 credits, 20 points or 20 credit? So this is like your regular subject. If let's say in the first semester you fail, then in next semester you can reappear for that subject and you can try to clear it. Next question is by Kavita Gangude. Fees kiti asil? So related to the examination fees, you can check by clicking. You can immediately get the difference, whatever fees is there. So it will be likely the subject per subject ji fee येते साधारण तेवढीच असेल, and maybe possible depending upon the number of things, number of students are appearing, some additional fee may be charged by the college also, but that part is again to the discussion, because right now this part is again new to us only. So once we get the next question, we will not get the B degree if we fail in honors. No, the regular degree will be awarded to you. There will be no issue.
Sir,
Regular,
hello?
your B degree will be awarded. There is no issue.
सर
Yes.
सर आपने बोला कि वो 4 सेमेस्टर का कोर्स है ऐसा, तो लेकिन
Correct.
हमारा लेकिन हमारा सेमेस्टर तो निकल गया ना, तो उसका कैसे कवर
हाँ,
करेंगे?
हाँ वही एक चैलेंज है एक्चुअली, कि आपको अगर ऑप्ट करना है तो ये एक सब्जेक्ट जो है, मान लीजिए जैसे अभी नंबर क्या आता है उस पर डिपेंड है, तो मे बी पॉसिबल कि कॉलेज आपका रैपिड ट्रैक पे एक सब्जेक्ट चला लेगा एडिशनल, या फिर आप खुद स्टडी कर लोगे, क्योंकि एनरोल करने का चांस जो है वो अभी है। नेक्स्ट सेम में आप चाहोगे तो एनरोल नहीं कर पाओगे उसके लिए।
सर इसकी एग्जाम वैसे ही होगी जैसे रेगुलर सब्जेक्ट्स की होती है?
हाँ, रेगुलर सब्जेक्ट की तरह ही एग्जाम रहेगा, रेगुलर सब्जेक्ट की तरह ही प्रैक्टिकल रहेगा। मान लीजिए इस सेम में अगर फिर से आपका ऑनलाइन एग्जाम होता है तो इसका भी ऑनलाइन ही होगा, और नेक्स्ट सेम ऑनवर्ड अगर ऑफलाइन होगा तो ऑफलाइन ही होगा। इट विल बी वेरी मच सिमिलर टू वट एवर एग्जाम्स यू आर फेसिंग। दिस विल बी जस्ट एन एडिशनल सब्जेक्ट, 6 सब्जेक्ट।
Sanjay sir, my question actually, if student has to study one extra subject every semester and practical, so what
Correct.
benefit student will get if they select any honor or minor subject in their
Yeah,
future?
they will have additional degree, means BE computer along with IoT.
Right.
Specialization in IoT. Like normally what happen, student used to do this specialization in masters. They are getting the chance to do the specialization in bachelor itself.
Right. This is really a good opportunity, I think so.
Yes, means that's why AICTE decided to train the manpower in the emerging area, and for that this scheme is done. Then next question, short description about this subject. So already syllabus, detailed syllabus and structure is available. I will share this particular with your heads, and they will share whatever syllabus available with your group. So you can decide it itself today and give fill that feedback form, so that we can decide how to complete this particular honors. The next question, honors degree will be different from original BE degree. Yeah, it is not clear yet, but maybe possible it will be mentioned in your degree, or additional degree will be given. But mostly it will be additional degree given to students. Which staff will be there for teaching? So right now we don't know which subject you are going to pick. Once that is decided, then your department will make sure which staff will be there for teaching and all the things. Yeah, already this answer is given. Details of each and every subject topic will be shared with you after this meeting.
So when the exams will be conducted, it will be conducted with the
As
practical and the written
exam, yeah, related to the practical, your first sem practical as well as second sem practical will be held first sem is third year first sem and third year second sem practical will be held at the end of this sixth semester. Okay. And related to the theory paper, your examination form filling date is up to 10th Feb. Maybe possible by the last week of Feb, your theory papers will be start. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Is there any question? Subject seminar पण द्यावा लागेल का? Yeah, whatever things mentioned in the syllabus, you need to complete it. There will be practicals, there will be, theory paper, submission, everything will be there. This will be one additional subject for those students who want something extra apart from this BE computer or BIT degree. And already I have clear, it is not absolutely mandatory. If you wish, you can opt it.
Hello.
Yes.
Sir, I have one question. If students don't want to appear for this subject in third year, but they wanted to appear in last year, so is it possible?
No, ma'am. This will be one subject
From
per
third year.
semester. Third year
Okay.
first sem, third year second sem, final year first sem, final year second sem. All 4 semester, there will be one elective, means additional subject.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
But if fail any student, fail in any subject, he can reappear. There is no issue.
Okay, okay, sir.
Then theory paper will be conducted in offline mode. So right now, 99% for this semester, it will be on online mode. But university is planning to conduct that online examination in college itself. Yeah, one domain you need to select. Whatever domain you have selected, you need to appear for that domain only. There will be no scope for changing the domain. College reopen, yeah, we are also eagerly waiting for that when college will be reopened. But unfortunately, till date, no clear guidelines from the government, and unless and until there is guideline from government, we are not able to open the college. Sir, madam, I think that's it from my end.
Okay.
If no, yes, there is one more question. There will be lectures on this subject, or any faculty will be teachers. So everything depends upon the number of students who are opting this particular subject. Next question, we have to upload original hard copy for scholarship form. Yes, we need to upload original hard copy for scholarship form, but unfortunately, the hard copy for scholarship form is not available for few students, those who have cleared in December. For them, we are making the provision that you can take the printout of university portal result and get the stamp as well as sign from the college, and you can upload it. Meanwhile, we are expecting that original hard copies will be also available.
Okay, does anything doubt is remaining from student side, or everything is cleared? Sir, I think so. Chat box में कुछ है क्या? कोई question pending?
नहीं, कोई question pending नहीं है from
Okay,
our
okay.
end.
So
All
I think so.
questions are clear.
Almost every doubt from student side has been cleared very well and very properly by Dr. S.D. Sancheti sir. And thank you so much, sir. Within a very few, like 5 minutes ago, I have just asked Sanchiti sir to take a session on this topic, and within a 2 minutes, he tell yes, I am ready to take. So thank you so much, sir.
No, ma'am, it's my pleasure
Yes.
always to interact with such good students.
Yes. Still, student, if you have any of the doubts, you can just WhatsApp me. I can personally send that message to the Sanchiti sir, and all your doubts will be clear. For T computer students, already the syllabus of all this subject has been shared. I think so. One day before on your WhatsApp group, just check out. Okay, so
And
that's everything from my side also. I will just end the meeting, sir.
yeah, thank you.
Yeah.
Have a nice
Yeah.
day.
Thank you, sir.